Have you ever heard the phrase, "Debt is the root of all evil"? It's a phrase that rings true in many ways because when you're drowning in debt, life can feel like it's slipping away. Debts don't wait for you. They grow day by day, and since no one lends money for free, they're always racking up interest. But here's the reality. In the United States, debt has become part of the fabric of the economy. Total U.S. consumer debt is almost $15 trillion, with the average household carrying over $5,300 in debt. Considering the U.S. GDP is around $21 trillion, debt essentially fuels our entire economy. Yet here's the surprising truth. Debt isn't always a bad thing. In fact, the wealthiest people in the world use debt to build even more wealth. But how? How can something that seems so dangerous also be beneficial? In this video, we'll break down the strategies that the wealthy use to leverage debt to their advantage. Stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive in. Debt drives trade and business. Most global trade relies on debt. It might seem risky to start a business with borrowed money, but for many industries it's the best option. Imagine you want to start a business selling pens. Instead of paying up front, many factories, especially in places like China, will loan you products with the expectation that you'll pay later once you've made a sale. Here's why this works. Thousands of factories are in constant operation, producing everything from pens to electronics. To move inventory faster, they're willing to work on credit with trusted partners. Once you've built a relationship with a factory, you can start selling products without ever tying up your own cash, keeping your money free for other investments. This is why sales is one of the most valuable skills you can learn in business. Refinancing real estate. Real estate is packed with opportunities to leverage debt smartly. Let's say you save $200,000, a sizable amount, but it's often not enough to buy property outright. Instead, you can use it as a down payment on an $800,000 mortgage for a property in need of renovation. After putting in $50,000 worth of renovations, you can refinance based on the new, higher property value. Let's say it's now valued at $700,000. With an 80% mortgage on the new value, you could borrow $560,000, allowing you to pay off the first mortgage and the renovation costs while pocketing a profit. You've now increased your wealth and secured an asset that can generate rental income, all while avoiding higher taxes thanks to mortgage deductions. This is a powerful strategy real estate investors use repeatedly to build wealth. Hedge funds, profiting off market decline. Hedge funds use debt strategically to profit when companies are on the decline. Unlike regular investors who buy stocks hoping they'll rise, hedge funds often short stocks, betting that they'll drop. Let's say you anticipate a certain stock, like Meta, formerly Facebook, will fall due to a new privacy update from Apple. You borrow the stock at a high price, sell it, and if the price drops, buy it back cheaper, pocketing the difference. This high-risk strategy has massive rewards if executed correctly. Hedge funds employ entire teams of analysts to make precise predictions and navigate these risky waters. But be warned, shorting is extremely risky. If you're wrong, your losses are theoretically unlimited since stock prices can rise indefinitely. Forex is where currencies are traded, making international trade possible. It's also a market where traders can use debt to increase their investment positions. Here's how it works. For every dollar you trade, you can borrow an additional $100. This leverage allows even small price movements to yield large profits, but it's also risky. With just $1,000, you can control a position worth $100,000, which could yield substantial gains or losses. Currencies fluctuate based on factors like interest rates or trade policies, and those who can anticipate these changes can profit significantly. But keep in mind, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. Finally, debt can work in your favor if you manage it well. A good credit score can give you access to lower interest rates on loans, saving you thousands. Most successful businesses and entrepreneurs have used debt to finance purchase orders, expand, or cover expenses. The key is managing this debt responsibly. Credit card debt, for example, has high interest rates and should be avoided. However, if you prove to be a reliable borrower over time, banks will offer you better rates, letting you leverage debt at minimal cost. Many large corporations and successful entrepreneurs use debt strategically to fuel rapid growth. Imagine a business that has proven demand for its product but lacks the funds to scale. By taking on debt, the company can open new locations, develop new products, or invest in marketing to expand its reach. Here's how it works. The business secures a loan or line of credit with favorable terms and uses the funds to grow quickly. With careful planning, the revenue generated from this expansion far outweighs the cost of the loan, making the debt an investment rather than a burden. Companies like Amazon, Starbucks, and even Apple have used debt strategically to dominate their markets. For individuals or smaller business owners, taking a business loan to expand can be risky, but with a proven model, it can lead to exponential returns. This kind of strategic borrowing is a powerful way for businesses to grow, proving that debt can be a key to long-term success. Debt is a tool, a powerful one. With the right approach, it can accelerate wealth creation and open doors to financial opportunities. Yes, high-interest debt, like credit cards, can be damaging, but learning how to manage and use debt smartly is crucial to building long-term wealth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on money, investing, and the economy. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you still think debt is evil, or do you see it as a tool for wealth? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.